Okay, we're in Sharamba camp with Rui. He arranged for us for elephant hunting and depot hunting in this camp. We about on the Zambezi River, south of the Zambezi River, about 30 kilometers south of Malawi. If you look on the map, you will find it easily where we are. We will start today and look for where the elephants are drinking. This is a very arid area, very low rainfall, and the elephant must drink every day in the Zambezi River. So we will check for tracks all along the Zambezi River and find a big bull track and then follow inland. It's going to be a long hike and a hard hike, but that's unfortunately what elephant hunting is all about. So hopefully we're lucky and we can find a track today and follow it and conclude it successfully. And we'll speak to you later about the result of this. Okay, this is for this place, this is the good indication maybe we have elephant. We are not sure if this track is fresh or not. Okay, I'm not happy with that it's fresh, but let's check it. So I want you guys to follow it a little bit, and if you decide it's last night's track, you radio us, okay? Or if you decide not, then you also radio us, alright? Mr. Rui, I'm going to send him to the other side to check some other tracks, okay? And then if he finds tracks, he will radio us. Okay, they've come here and they look like they drank here where the girls are washing their clothes. They did not go back, so they went into here. I think they're sleeping in the reed somewhere, but we must just get on the track again. Solved one problem for us now. If the elephants are in the buffalo pins, they are safe. It's very simple. No, our first assessment of the track is correct. They are from the day before. So we are trying to disprove ourselves at this point, but we are failing in every corner. So I think I'll make the call when we get back to the buckies. If there's no fresh tracks going out, we go crocodile hunting.
So hapo kwenye bao.
Ráno okolo 7 hodiny. Stopovali sme ich do nejakého obeda, až sme prišli k ním. Bolo v skupine 5 kusov, z toho jeden dobrý samec, na ktorého Rasťo vystrelil dvakrát cez huštinu a ho zasiahol a pri unikaní ešte Rui stihol ho zasiahnuť niekde zozadu. Našli sme farbu a dohľadávali sme ho celý deň do večera. Večer už keď sa začalo smievať, tak sme sa rozhodli, že prerušíme hľadanie a vrátime sa do kempu. A pri vracaní naspäť sme narazili na to isté stádo, kde nás napadla slonica vodiaca a v podstate Tien si ju musel zastreliť nejakých 15 metrov od nás, pretože už sklonila hlavu a stiahla chobot, čo bola známka, že ide útočiť a v podstate zasiahnuť niekoho z nás. Ubehli sme včera nejakých 42 km, čo bolo dosť na celý deň. Teraz sme sa vrátili na miesto činu, v podstate rekapitulujeme, čo sa stalo a skúsime ešte nájsť toho slona, ktorý bol včera postrelený. To je asi všetko. Veľmi silný zážitok.
Okay, Rasta, now you can tell your story. Also just tell a little bit what your experience was in Slovakia, ne?
Ja môžem len potvrdiť to isté, čo sa stalo. Presne tak isto som to cítil a ja prežíval to isté. Takže silný zážitok takisto. Ďakujem.
Okay, we were lucky to be in a position to see the cow coming. She was not in the thick bush, she was more in the open, and we got a good shot on her and she was down. The wounded bull unfortunately escaped and is still going. So that's another day for